estás más a mi lado, corazón. En el alma solo tengo soledad. Y si ya no puedo verte, porque Dios me hizo quererte para hacerme sufrir más. Es la historia de un amor como no hay otra igual, que me hizo comprender todo el bien y todo el mal, que le dio luz a mi vida, apagándola después. Ay, qué vida tan oscura, sin tu amor no viviré. Siempre fuiste la razón de mi existir.
Hello friends and happy dancing! Today we are going to take a quick glance at the tutorial for the dance we've just introduced for you. This dance consists from 3 different figures, and they are: basic step. Start from the right foot back in the rhythm of slow, quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And again, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Very well, let's take a look from a different angle. As I earlier said, right foot back in the rhythm of slow, quick, quick. Back, back, come back, forward, forward, come back. Back, rock step, forward, rock step. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. I think that was good. All right, and the next figure is a diamond. Let's take a look at it. The reason it's called a diamond because it's in the shape of the diamond. Let's take a look at this figure. We're also going to start from the right foot back. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. As you noticed, the rhythm is the same, slow, quick, quick. Now, what's different? Let's take a look from the different angle. We're going to start back with the right foot as we did the previous figure. Slow. Then we're going to round and cross our feet behind. On the third step, we're going to uncross our feet by stepping to the side and slightly forward. 3. Step number 4, we'll move forward. Step number 5, we'll move across, and we're going to make a hook in front of the left foot. Now, on the 6th step, we're going to exit the hook by stepping to the side and slightly back with our left foot. Back and slightly to the side. And again, back, hook back, exit the hook. Forward left, hook in front, exit the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 steps to this figure. And rhythm is slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. If you notice, the hook is a continuous move, so it becomes a ronde on the way back. Back with the right foot, back, ronde into hook, and exit. Forward, we can do the same. We're going to step forward and we can ronde into hook and then exit. Ronde into hook, exit. Ronde into hook and exit. Now the next one is without a ronde. Rondé. Hook, exit, forward, hook in front, and exit. This is totally up to you, the way you choose to dance it. And meanwhile, let's go to the next figure. And the next and the final figure of this tutorial will come first in your dance routine. Let's take a look at it. We're gonna quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And again, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And from the different angle. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And again, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. One more time. Chassé, that is turning quarter to the left. Quick, quick, slow. Rock step and exit that will place us back into initial position. Quick, quick, slow. Continue the rotation to the right until you reach the diagonal alignment, until you reach the right diagonal alignment. Start from the step to the side, from your left foot into the square. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And as you noticed, we're back in the beginning of our combination. Quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. For more details, we're going to discuss this in our online classes. Join us and let's make line dancing a happy dancing for all. Have a great day, everyone, and happy dancing.
No estás más a mi lado, corazón. En el alma solo tengo soledad. Y si ya no puedo verte, porque Dios me hizo quererte para hacerme sufrir más. Es la historia de un amor como no hay otra igual, que me hizo comprender todo el bien y todo el mal, que le dio luz a mi vida, apagándola después. Ay, qué vida tan oscura, sin tu amor no viviré. Siempre fuiste la razón de mi existir.
Have a great day, everyone, and happy dancing.
Para mí fue religión. En tus besos yo